Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a fun project using some of the Stargazing Designer Series paper, the Simply Sparkling stamp set that is an online exclusive, and it can be purchased in a bundle with the dies, the Simply Sparkling dies, which are super cute. We're not going to be using the dies today, but we are going to be using the stamp set, and we're also going to bring in a sentiment from the Beautiful Balloon stamp set, okay? So before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So let's start with our March paper pumpkin kit. It's called Memorable Medals. It makes 9 cards and comes with the garden green stamping spot. And if you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can add the Love of Spring dies add-on for $12. It's a set of 4 dies, and that is the ordering number 164396. There's a link in the description box below if you want to subscribe to the Paper Pumpkin. Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the flat rate medium-size USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of all of my retired Stampin' Up product. Some is brand new, some are used, but it's all still good to go, okay? There's the boxes are $30 each. Shipping is included. I am only shipping these in the US, okay? If you're interested, please email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com or go to my blog at honeybeestampinghive.com, and you can click on the image of this flyer and it'll take you to PayPal for you to pay and put all your information in. This is our February host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that, especially during celebration time. You want all the freebies that you can get. $50 or more earns you some free celebration products, okay? So let's go ahead and get started on our card. We have some designer series paper here from the Stargazing DSP. This is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And we're going to put that on some basic black that is 5 1/4 by 4. So let's go ahead and do that now with some Tombow liquid glue. I haven't used the Stargazing paper in a long while, but it is perfect for this bubbly soda image. So we're going to put that there. Then I have a card base here of Parakeet Party, 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4, and we are going to go ahead and glue this down to the base. I should mention that I am using a card sketch from Casing Tuesdays, where they case a sketch in the catalog, and this is number 439, I do believe. I'm trying to get this straight. My orange is not on straight, but that's okay. Let me make sure I don't have it upside down. Okay, so then we have a piece of basic black that is I think 4 7/8 by 1 3/4, and we're just going to put this right across the middle of the card here, just like this. Okay, so that's all we're going to do for now as far as layering. I've done some layering in the inside of our card. So I have a basic black here that's 5 by 3 3/4, and I've gone ahead and layered on some basic white that is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4, and a piece of this same designer series paper. Okay, so we're going to stamp on this first. Do we want to stamp? No, we're not going to stamp on that first. We're going to stamp on this extra piece of basic white. It's just some scrap. I have some tuxedo black ink here, and we're going to ink up an image of the soda can. This, I need to re-ink this. It's not inking well. Let me get this little stamping spot that I made for myself. Eee! Because it seems to be inked up really juicy. Okay, and we're going to take that. I'm going to stamp that down right here. Okay, then we're going to take this little bubbly image from the stamp set, and we are going to Oh my gosh. I thought I was done with the dropsies, but I guess not. So we're going to stamp this about right here, like that. Then we have one more little bubble, not bubble, but like water droplet, some condensation, I should say. Put that down there. Then we have one more thing to stamp in black, and that's our sentiment, and we're going to stamp it on this piece of basic white that is 3 1/8 by 1 inch, and we're stamping, I think it's time for a celebration, and that's from the beautiful balloon stamp set. Okay, making sure that's getting inked up well, and we want this right in the center here. Oh, I don't like that. Let's try again. I do have, let's see, you can try again on the back. Maybe that's too inky, too juicy. Let's try this one. I don't know. Maybe it was too juicy. I cut 2 pieces of this paper just in case. Yeah, that's not that bad. Maybe that was too juicy for these little tiny words. Okay. So then we have a piece of basic black here that is 1 1/8 by 3 1/4, and we're gonna glue our sentiment onto that. Yeah, this side, I think I pressed too hard is what it is. That's what it looks like. I was smushing it. So we're just gonna glue this onto our basic black here. Trying to get it even. Okay, I think that is all the black stamping we're gonna do. I need some scrap paper. Scrap paper. Where are ya? I don't know. So let's get some. Okay, so I'm gonna color this using some Tahitian Tide Stampin' Blends. So I have the light and the dark here, and I also have the smoky slate. Let me see. My smoky slate, is this light? I'll use the light. Oh. I'm gonna go, all of this is gonna be smoky slate. And that's the light. And then I'm gonna take the dark and just go in some of these areas that might have a shadow on it. Just like that. Let's get the light back out and pull it towards the center. Just like that, okay? So now let's do the can. And we are going to take the dark Tahitian Tide. You guys, I don't know if you could tell, but I'm not used to using this end of the marker. And it just doesn't look right. But I'm trying to use it because it's such a big surface area. Oh man, is this the dark? Oh, it says light. Why does it look darker than the dark? Let's go over that dark again. Okay, then go over the light. I want to leave a little bit of like highlighted area in the middle. Okay, that's good. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to get some paper snips is what we're going to do. And there are dies to cut this out. but I don't want to leave a white border, so I'm just going to fussy cut it real fast. And it's really a simple image to cut out, so I don't mind doing it. Well, I don't mind fussy cutting even if it wasn't an easy image, because I like to fussy cut. I like it. It relaxes me, just like coloring. I can do a lot of this. So let's see here. Almost done. I need to add, oh, I think I need the color lifter, because I want to make some things just a little tad bit lighter. Not a lot. Just a little. I'm going to go around the bottom. Okay. Move that out of the way. Oh, I think I still need the this. So let's see. I'm going to use my color lifter just to lift a little bit of the color on some of this. Not a lot. I don't want it to look funny. I don't want it to be too light. Then I'm going to take our Wink of Stella. Our Wink of Stella here. And we're going to color right over all of those little condensation drops. If I have to, I'll go back in and color a little darker, because sometimes that color lifter lifts too much color for me. But that's all we're going to do for that. And we're going to pop this on the inside of our card. So I did this one just to show you, because I've already done 3 more. And I used Berry Burst, Parakeet Party, and Pumpkin Pie. And those are for the outside, so I wanted to do this on the inside. But before we do that, let's go ahead and finish stamping. I want to put this here so I'll know where to stamp. We're going to be stamping in Pumpkin Pie. And we're going to stamp Extra Bubbly Birthday Wishes. So I'll do Extra Bubbly Birthday Wishes. Okay, and then we're going to put some bubbles with the Tahitian Tide. And I'm not sure if I should, let me see how strong this is. What does the second generation look like? Oh no, that's too light. We're going to go full on. And we're going to put the bubbles just like that. Just a little bit of room for writing. Just a little bit of room for writing. I don't know why I'm doing this, but just in case a little bit of that is showing. Okay, so where did I put my glue? I think that's all the stamping. So we're going to glue this down to the inside of our card. And we're going to put this about right here. Well, I want it down all the way. Just like that. Okay. And then we go ahead and put this in our card. Inside of our card base. Come on, glue. Get that put down. That is so pretty against that green. Isn't that cute? Okay. So now what we're going to do, I think I want to do these about right here. And we're going to put this one in the middle. Okay. So let's go ahead and glue these down. I'll put it about right there like that. Take this one. And I did color these the same exact way, and I put the Wink of Stella. I used the Wink of Stella. And this is going to be popped up our orange can. Since it's going to be orange on orange, we want to pop it up and give it a little bit of dimension. Come off my finger. We're going to put this right in the middle here. And I'm putting this down a little bit lower than the other two. Just a little bit, okay? Then we're gonna get our sentiment and some Stampin' Dimensionals. And we're gonna put dimensionals on the ends of this. And we're only putting it on the end because it's going across here, and that is already popped up. So we want to get a little bit of glue there. Center this over that. And then we got to add some bling. And I did not pick out any bling. So let me go find some bling and I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to be using these iridescent adhesive-backed discs. These are a carryover from the September to December mini catalog. And I think we're going to be using the Melon Mambo. It looks like a berry burst to me a little bit. So let me get my Take Your Pick tool. Let's add. Oh yeah, that is so cute. We're going to add. I could use multiple colors, couldn't I? Let's maybe put one right there. Don't have one for orange, but we'll use one more berry burst one. Yeah. Let's put it right here. Oh, I don't like it right there. Let's put it right there. Yes. Okay. That looks good. This is our card. I think it's time for a celebration. Extra bubbly birthday wishes. Isn't that cute? I love it. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.